This is 12 a.m. in the night and I finished vibe coding for today, and here's the result. We can have this thing, I can move. Let's see the legend. So the red line is the emitter surface, the blue line is receiver surface, the green line and the right axis is irradiance, received by the surface, or rather reflected. Let's hide that. So now I can move it, I can change the angle, and I can see how irradiance changes. I can go farther, I can go closer. There's a couple interesting bits. You can see how if I go it like this, then it spikes because it's over here. And also I can change size of them, right? So something like this, you can see it goes to 0 because there is no, well, then it's a bug, but so you can see what's going on. All right, so now the magic is let's make this one farther, this one bigger, and let's show both emitters. Now I have two emitters and it shows the sum of the irradiance, sum irradiance of both emitters. Let's move them farther apart. And the thing that I found interesting is that if I move them far apart and I can find this very particular angle where this whole thing becomes quite flat in big portion of it, you can see the scale. It doesn't start from 0, so it starts from some value and goes to this value. So it's not very showing of what's the difference between minimum and maximum value, but I just find it interesting that and if I make them very small, you can see it doesn't change much, but it's very particular angle where this becomes a thing, and so it behaves like there is a big surface on top of it. If I make it wide enough like this, check this out. Yeah, so I just made a surface bigger, and this angle is 30. It seems like 30 degrees is the magic angle. I'm not sure what I just discovered. I think it's a known thing, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, I can make it very far away and it will behave like a surface, like a single surface in the middle. Let me show you the single surface I'm talking about. So if I just place it like this and I change the distance like this, let's just change scales of both. So yes, something like this. You see it's the same kind of effect, but with the two small sources of light at 30 degrees each. Interesting.